the silent sentinels of nature. Beneath the heavens' vast embrace, they stand in stillness, keeping space. Ancient watchers, calm and wise, guardians of earth, of seas and skies. The trees, they whisper in the breeze, a hymn of roots, of time, of peace. Mountains rise, unyielding, tall, holding secrets, cradling all. The rivers carve their quiet song, a path of life, unceasing, strong. The stars look down with steady gaze, unmoved by time, eternal rays. O silent sentinels of grace, you hold the earth, a sacred place. Your voice is still, yet clear and true, a mirror vast, reflecting you. In every leaf, in every stone, a wisdom deeper than my own. You teach in silence, calm and care, the truth of all, the everywhere. So let me learn from your nature's heart, her endless whole, her every part. For in her quiet, I can see the still, the vast eternity.